Let's start with the GroovePages. Let me click on it. And as you can see here, I have a sample website here that I created before. So let me just open it. GroovePages is an easy drag and drop page tool, website and sales funnel builder that allows you to create complete full menu websites, landing pages, and sales funnels within one custom domain. And over here on the left sidebar, I have different tabs here for me to add some blocks, for example, in my website. And also they have a bunch of blocks here that I can choose from, or you can also add more elements. And here you can also add more pages, add some funnels, webinars, and lastly, add some pop-up inside my website. So you have everything here that you need to create a beautiful website just like this. And if you get the Pro plan, you also get unlimited website and sales funnels, unlimited custom domains integration, and for those just getting started, the free plan represents great value for you too. You can add one custom domain and host up to 25 pages for free on your free plan. So these GroovePages replace the use of other website builder like for example GoDaddy and Wix.com. GrooveCM is a complete marketing and sales system with over 10 plus apps that you can use for any type of business. These are the Groove apps that are currently available now, and there are also new apps coming soon. And most of the Groove apps here are now getting better and faster compared to the previous year. So if you need a website, email marketing, membership site, e-commerce, webinars, sales management, blog website, and affiliate software, then GrooveCM is the perfect one for you. Plus, they also have the additional apps coming soon, and these apps are Groove Desk, Groove Calendar, Groove Webinars Live, Groove Proof, Groove Streaming, Groove Survey, Groove Quiz, Groove Funnel Mapping, Groove Pipe CRM. So these are the new app that will coming soon inside your GrooveCM. So if you're interested to sign up or try the GrooveCM, then just click on the link in the description below to sign up for free. So I hope that you learned something from this video, and thank you so much for your time watching.